Uh, Welcome everyone to question number 8. This came in JEE Advance 2023. The question being, we have a hydrogen-like atom. So uh, it's a combination of Bohr's model of hydrogen atom and photoelectric effect. So as such, the question is pretty straightforward. There is a atom whose atomic number Z we have to find. uh, Photons are transitioning in that atom from n equal to 4 to n equal to 3 state. So they are emitting photons. These photons strike a target metal which produce photoelectrons generated at 1.95 eV. The threshold wavelength of the target metal is 310 nanometers. We have to find that what that atom is. So sounds like a reasonable question. Um, so we want to calculate what is the energy of the incident photons first, which eject the photoelectrons. So incident energy is equal to the work function of the target metal, that is Hc, by threshold wavelength lambda naught, let's say, plus the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted photons. So this value Hc, we can take it as 1240 eV nanometers divided by 310 nanometers threshold wavelength. Plus we'll add the maximum kinetic energy of the emitted photoelectrons. Basically that is what happens, that the incident uh, photons have to overcome this threshold energy, and that is the work function, and provide the remaining energy to the emitted uh, uh, photoelectron. So basically this helps us prove that the light also has a uh, matter or particle nature. So this value 310 upon 1240, this is basically 4, so this is 5.95 eV. uh, now what should we do? Now we'll say that this incident energy came from the transitions of the hydrogen-like atom. So this RHC, this is the Rydberg energy. RHC divided by Z square divided by N square. That is the energy in the nth state of the hydrogen atom. So if there is a transition, so in that transition, energy is equal to 1 upon N 1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. So this is 5.95 is equal to 13.6 electron volt into Z square, and 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 16. So let's see what this value comes out to be. So 5.95 divided by 13.6 is equal to Z square into 16 minus 9, that is 7 upon 9 into 16. So this is some 5.95 into 9 into 16 divided by 7 into 13.6 is equal to Z square. Um, let's see what this value comes out to be. So 136,827. The 76 we have 42, 259. So this is 95.2, and then we have 5.95 in the numerator into 9 by 16. This is z square. So 95.2 divided by approximately 6. We can approximate this as 6 only, 5.95 as. But this is 6, 15.6, uh, 2, 12, and 36. So this comes out to be some 1 upon 12.6. Again, this is something fishy. This is, something fishy is about this. This is 356, 35. So this is 16 only. So this is 16 into 9 into 16 is equal to z square. If you calculate this, you will get this as exactly as 16. This is 16. So z is equal to 9. Z square is equal to 9, or z is equal to 3. So as a bonus question, which atom it is? So this is, as you might be knowing it, this is boron. Thank you for joining. Oh, sorry, this is lithium.